So I've had some subscribers want to know how this is made. This is what I take the haylofts out. You can also use it on siding in certain circumstances. It's kind of heavy, I don't know, it probably weighs 10 pounds, but nothing fancy about it. Just cut it out and welded it. So there's a set screw on each side here, and you can take this handle off. This needs to be pretty stout or you'll bend it. Also, this is just cut out of a piece of 1/2 inch. A red car just pulled in. Really looks suspicious. There's so dang much thieving going on. My neighbor over here, she's gone today. I don't know, I've never seen that car. I think he came in here possibly with the idea of breaking in that house over there, but I'm standing here. So I don't know, you can't trust anybody nowadays. So anyway, this thing here, this is cut out a 1/2 inch. This is welded in, this is pipe. These are just cut out a 1/4 inch and they're welded on. The key is that these have to be flexible. So when you put that under, see if you have them, say like that. You slide that under the flooring. You want them flat against the bottom of that flooring. That way it'll pull them up in one piece. So that's that one. Here's another one. See, just a piece of pipe about 3 inches long, set screws, 1/2 inch steel, and then a piece, in this case it's 3/8 welded across there, and then these pieces here are cut out, welded to that, and this is just some channel iron aluminum I had laying around. And then of course you would put your pipe in here. So that's what it is. These are about 8 inches long. You don't want them too long because most of your like hayloft is 8-inch boards. So when you slide this under there, you don't want this extending over under the next board or it'll break that next one out. You want this just to fit under one board at a time. So that's it. You're standing on the hayloft when you take it out. You're standing on the good hayloft. And you take it out like this. Up against the wall, you'll have to take those up with a pry bar to get you started. But that's about it. Let me put a tape measure on it. Okay, so this handle extends all the way to here, so it's about 42.5. It doesn't have to be exact. This piece here, it's 5 inches by 6 inches. There again, no science to it. These are 7 inches. These are 10 inches long, 2 inches at the widest, and then they go down to 1 inch. This gap in here, you just want that wide enough to be able to straddle a 2x4. So there's 2 1/4 inside there. That's more than you need. And I don't know what else to tell you about it, but that's how I made it. Nothing fancy at all, but it's a super time saver and saves you from splitting out your wood. So anyway, I hope that helped you. So inside here, this is just a little pipe or solid piece of steel just to help keep this rigid in here. And you can see See, this is kind of bent. There's a lot of torque on it. You can bend it back. Hope that helped you. Thanks for subscribing, and if you haven't, appreciate it if you did. And you have a good day.